Ever wondered how to check if an item exists in a list? Whether you're building a to-do list app or tracking items in your project, knowing how to quickly check for an item in a list is essential. Let's dive right into it. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to check if an item exists in a list in Python. This is a key concept when you're building interactive apps or handling data efficiently. Here is what we'll cover: using the in keyword, using the not in keyword, using the index method, handling errors with try except. A real-world example: checking if an item is in your shopping list. Grab your favorite IDE, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, or whatever you like, but we'll be using Jupyter Notebook for this one. Let's jump in. Let's check if an item exists in the list using the in keyword. It's simple and intuitive. Here we'll create a list called shopping list with some items. We define the item to check, which is the item we want to look for in the list. Here the in keyword checks if item to check is in the shopping list. If it's there, we'll print a confirmation. What if the item isn't in the list? Let's look at another method. If you want to check if an item is not in the list, use the not in keyword. In this example, the not in checks if item to check is not present in the shopping list. Here, if the item is absent, we print that is not in the list. The index method returns the index of the item if it exists. In this example, the index method searches for an item. If found, it returns the index of the item. Here, if the item isn't found, we handle the value error using a try except block and notify the user. In the previous example, we used try except to handle errors gracefully. If an item is not in the list, we won't get an error, but a friendly message instead. And we want to check if a user's item is in the list before adding it. Here we define a function add item to list that checks if an item is already in the shopping list. Then here, if the item exists, it tells us the item is already there. Otherwise, it adds the item to the list. Use in or not in for simple membership checks. Use the index method if you know the position of the item. Always handle exceptions when working with methods like index to avoid crashes. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to get notified when we upload new videos. In future tutorials, we'll be adding more cool features to our shopping list app, like removing items, updating quantities, and even saving to a file. You don't want to miss that, so be sure to subscribe. Happy coding!